Look how insane this looks. A 10, a 20, and a 30. Stacked up. Madness. Madness. Welcome to a vlog. We're here in the Catskills. Stage 1 of the Catskill TT. It's mid-November. Probably the last ride up to the Catskills for the year. Even though it's like damn near 60 degrees, it feels a lot colder because of the wind. So I'm just gonna blast on my favorite road for a second. I kind of did not really stop anywhere today. It was a very straight and aggressive commute to the Catskills. I literally just stopped for gas. Not even a pee break, not even a water break. Probably a little bit too much. I'm wearing my full Aether apparel, divide suit, top and bottom, Gore-Tex Pro and all that, simply because when I'm coming back in 2 days on Sunday, it's gonna rain. And when I head out, it's gonna be 38 degrees, which is about 20 degrees less than it is now, which will be scary because I'm not sure if I'm ready. But nonetheless, we're gonna be all right. I'm gonna put on every layer I have. I might even put on my rain gear over this. That's why I'm gonna gas up before I park the bike this evening, so that way when I take off on Sunday, I'm clean. There we go. That's a civilian. We're good. Not even going too fast here. Because I'm a little bit tired, I didn't sleep well, so we're not really on. Beautiful little cabin here, just gorgeous, gorgeous day. Upstate New York. Beautiful. No leaves, just trees. Different, this whole area, when there's no foliage and you can see through the trees, because normally this is a very it's like a corridor, more or less. Crossy windy. There we go. Going on over here. We're good. Little waterfall ahead over there. Well, I realized that I was just vlogging and none of it recorded. Ladies and gents, we are in the Catskills. It's cold. Not really. Just a warm day on a cold, in a cold month. All the leaves are gone. There's a little spot that I stop at. That's where we're gonna chill out for a sec. Take a tinkle. Look at this beautiful place. Nice and cute. Yeah, I don't even know what you guys heard or not, but I'm wearing my Aether Apparel Divide suit because it's Gore-Tex Pro, and on Sunday it's going to be 38 and rainy, and it's going to be a chilly day. I'm hoping the forecasts change like they often do. And yeah, and then you look. It's not gonna rain, but it probably will. It probably will. Dry ass creek over here. Dry. Why? Here we'll take a little left. Nobody around. There we go. 1.2 mile. And then we essentially stop just for a few minutes. Welcome to another vlog, and this one is a little bit crazy because we got the tallest stack I've ever had on the back of the bike. We got 3 sets of Kriegas, a leaning tower of Kriegas, because I'm just doing a short transfer of some beverages the last few miles here. Beautiful day in the Catskills. The last of the nice days. Gorgeous. It's been a chilly little ride. It's been on the highway for most of it. One of these Kriegas to fly off. I literally stacked them 3 high just because I wanted to get some beers and not have to go back. So yeah, no. You can see it, it's still there. Oh boy. I think they're literally about to fall off. They just might. Unruly. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful area. Can't believe the grass is still green. Madness. Because Sunday it's gonna be freezing. Here we just take it gentle. I don't want my shit to fall over. Where is it? Can you see it? Can I see it? There. I'll get off the bike over here and show you the madness and adjust it a little bit. I'm wearing my full body Aether suit, my Gore-Tex Pro. Look how insane this looks. A 10, a 20, and a 30. Stacked up. Madness. Madness. Alright, let's do the last couple of miles here. Get there, wind down, relax. Oh, there we go. Boop. Definitely leaning.